Hello students, today we have to start here practice set 4.1. From this practice set we have to solve here question number 4. Okay, we had already solved question number 1 to 3 in previous video. So we will start here. What is question number 4? That is, draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN, draw its altitudes and denote the orthocenter by O. Means we have to draw here first of all obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle which is the angle which is greater than 90 degree. That means such type of the triangle is there. That means this angle is more than 90 degree like this. Okay, this angle is more than 90 degree. So, or like this one. Clear? This is look like somewhat right angle triangle. So do not consider this one. This type of the triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle. And we have to draw the altitudes and denote the orthocenter of or orthocenter by O. So how to solve this? First of all, draw the obtuse angle triangle. So by using this scale, we have to draw here obtuse angle triangle. So draw the obtuse angle triangle. Like this, correct? And name it as triangle LMN. Okay. Now next we have to draw the altitudes. So altitudes are this. What are the perpendicular line to the opposite side of the vertex? Okay, we have to draw the opposite side of vertex. The perpendicular line is there. Correct. Suppose I want to draw the altitude from vertex M. Then we have to draw the on side L N. One we have to draw a perpendicular line. So by using the set square, we have to draw the perpendicular line. So put set square like this. Put set square like this. And draw the line. And this line is perpendicular. That means 90 degree is there. Suppose I want to draw, name it as what? A. This point is A. Correct? So line or segment MA or AM is the altitude of triangle LMN. So this is the about first vertex. Now we have to draw this one also, for this one also. So for drawing the altitude from this vertex, we have to draw or we have to extend this line. Okay, we have to extend this line like this. Okay, I have to draw somewhat light here because, okay. So why we have to draw this line? Because we have to draw the perpendicular line from this vertex on the opposite side of it. Opposite side of this vertex is what? M. So we have to extend this line. Okay, and then we have to draw the perpendicular line from this. So put set square like this and draw it. And we have to extend this one. We have to extend this line like this, correct? That means this one is the perpendicular line and this is name it as suppose B. Okay, now next, also extend this line okay. Now when we consider this vertex, the opposite side of this vertex is what? LM. So we have to draw the perpendicular line on this one, LM. So we have to extend this, correct? So by using this scale, extend this one like this. Okay, and then we have to draw the perpendicular line from vertex L. Okay, so put set square like this one. And draw the line. This one is the 90 degree. Just you have to extend this line. Suppose this is the what? C. And denote the orthocenter by O. Orthocenter means what? The medians, sorry, the altitudes of these triangles meet in a single point, and this point is called as the orthocenter. So this is as O. Okay, clear? So this is the diagram of your question number 4. Okay, what we have to do here? We have to draw the obtuse angle triangle first, and then we have to draw the altitudes of it, and then we have to give the name of orthocenter as O. Okay, so now we have to solve the next question, that is question number 5. Next question, question number 5. Draw a right angle triangle XYZ. Draw its median and show their point of concurrence by G. Okay, we have to show the concurrence point here, that G. And which type of the triangle is there? That is right angle triangle. That means this type of triangle is there. This is the 90 degree. That means this type of triangle we have to draw here, and with this triangle we have to draw the median of it. Okay, so first of all, draw one line here first. Okay, for drawing the right angle triangle, we have to use the set square or compass. I want to use here compass. We have to, why we have to use this? Because we have to get here 90 degree. So by using the set square, we have to get the 90 degree and draw the line like this. Clear? This is what this one is, the 90 degree, and join this one. So this triangle is what? This triangle is X, Y, Z, and this is the right angle triangle. And then we have to draw a median. Okay. For drawing the median, we have to use, or we have to find out first of all midpoint of it. Okay. So consider this side first, and take one and more than half distance in your compass. So draw one arc here with the same distance. Put one arc of your compass here and draw one arc here. Clear? Now with same distance, draw one arc here and here. Clear? Now next, draw one arc here and here. Clear? Now next, we have to get here 2 points, this one and this one. So draw the line like this. Clear? So this one is the midpoint of side XY. So put here A. Now join AZ. So AZ is the what? AZ is the median of this triangle. Now next same steps apply for other side also. Take the compass and take more more than half distance and draw one arc here and here. Similarly, one arc here and here. Cut this arc. Okay, and then join these 2 points. Clear? So this one is the midpoint of side YZ. Suppose this is name it as B. And then join X and B here. Okay. So this one XB is also the median of this triangle. Now one side is remaining, that is XZ. So take the compass and take more than half distance in your compass and then draw one arc here and here also. Then with same distance draw one arc here and downside. With the same distance draw one arc here and here. Yeah. So now we have to get these 2 points. So join these 2 points. Clear? So this point is the midpoint of XZ, side of XZ, and this is name it as C. So join this one. Clear? So this is what, this point. When this median, these 3 medians intersect in a single point, then this is called as a concurrence point, and it is denoted by here G. So we have to write down here G. Clear? Okay. So in this way we have to solve here question number 5 also. Okay. So now we have to stop here. In next video we'll discuss about the next 2 questions from this practice set. So I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you, students.